Dear friends, in this video I'll show you 10 most important things you should do after installing WordPress on your site. So let's get started. Number 1. Editing username. If you go to your site, you can see every post here is showing up your username. It is very risky for your site because someone can try to log into your WordPress website, WordPress dashboard by this username and some random password. How to edit this username? Go to dashboard, then go to user, then you will see every user. Now click your user and click edit. Now scroll below, you can see you cannot change username, but all you have to do, just set up your first name and last name. Suppose my first name is Shahed, last name is Zakir, and if you click here, it's showing up my display name. Then select your desired display name and finally click update profile. Now if you go to your site and refresh your page, you will see your username has changed to Shahed Zakir from admin, and now it's risk free. Number 2. Change your site title and description or tagline. What is site title and description? If we scroll above, you can see this is my blog, my WordPress blog. This is your site title and this is your site description. If you take your mouse over here, you will see it's showing up your site title and description. It is the most important thing because it doesn't look professional. So let's change our site title and description. Go to your WordPress blog, then go to settings. Now you can see here your site title by default. You can change it as like you want. Suppose I'm giving you some idea, like I will change it to my tech blog. Okay, after changing your site title and description, finally click on save changes. Now if we go to your site and refresh our page, you can see site description has changed. By this way we can change our site title and description. Number 3. Changing site permalinks. You may ask, what is permalink? If you click any post from this site, you will see after your domain name something like date, month, everything here is site's permalink. It doesn't look professional, and most important thing is it's not SEO friendly. You may say, SEO friendly, what the heck is that? SEO friendly is most important thing to rank your site on Google index. Go to our site dashboard and go to settings, then permalinks. You can see there are different type of permalink structure is available here. All you have to do, just click on custom structure and delete all those things. Now I will show you the best way to make your site SEO friendly. First click on category, then click on post name, and after doing that click on save changes. Now visit your site, click on any post. Now you will see the site having categories, then post name. By this way you can make your site SEO friendly. Number 4. Changing site category. You can see over here this site having a default category named uncategorized. Every time you publish a post, this post will comes under this category named uncategorized. Now I will show the way to change site category. Now go to your site and hover your mouse over post and click on categories. Now you can see this is your default category. Now all you have to do is just click on edit. Now change it as like you want. So remember, every time you publish a post, if you don't select any category, then this post will comes under this category. So if your site is WordPress related or tech news related, suppose my site is WordPress related, then you can make it WordPress and also change the slug WordPress, and finally click on update. Now go to your site and refresh it. Now you can see This default category is changed to WordPress from uncategorized. Number 5, deleting demo file or sample file. After installing WordPress on your site, you will see some random default or demo content over here. You can see. Now all you have to do, go to WordPress dashboard. Now click on all posts and select your post and move to trash and click apply. Now go to trash and select your all file and click delete permanently. Now click apply. Okay, by this way you can delete permanently. And also go to your comments and select your comments if you have any. There is no comment here. It depends on your theme, which theme you're gonna install. Maximum themes comes with some random comment. Then select those comment and delete. Now go to your site and refresh your page. You will see there is no post because we have deleted our all post. Number 6, deleting unnecessary or unused plugin and theme. If your site having some unnecessary or unused theme or plugins, your site will load slowly. That's why to make your site fast, you have to delete unnecessary things. So go to your site and click on plugins. By default, everything comes with some random plugins. If you don't need this plugin, then select all those plugins and click select delete and finally click on apply and confirm it. You can see all my unnecessary plugins have deleted. Let's delete unnecessary themes. Click on appearance, then click themes. You can see there is 3 themes available here. We have activated these themes, but these 2 we don't need these 2. So all you have to do, click on theme details, then in the right bottom corner click on delete and confirm it, and same way click these themes, right bottom corner click delete and confirm it. Number 7, installing necessary themes and plugins. You saw I have deleted unnecessary plugins. Now you know there are many good themes and plugins available for your site. Those plugins is very important for your site. On example, there is a plugin called Used SEO. This plugin will be required to make your site SEO friendly. Let's install that plugin. All you have to do is just click on plugins and click on add new. Over here search by plugin name. In this case it will be YOAST, used, and you can see this is Used SEO. Now click on install now. You can see it's installing. It will take some time to install. After installing, click on active. Now you can see your site is activated SEO theme, and by same way you can install any themes. Click on appearance, click on themes and click on add new and search for your desired theme. Number 8, make sure people comments is allowed. You know, in your site sometimes people need to comment. If you want to get notified when people are commenting, then you can check this. Every time people post a comment, there will be a notification in your email. You can change it as like you want. Number 9, make sure people can register on your site. It is most important for e-commerce site, because if people want to comment on your site, they have to first register on your site. To enable registration, go to your site, then go to general and finally click on anyone can register. Again, anyone can register. Then finally click save changes. Number 10, I'll give some tips for your site. Number 1, change your site time format. You can change your site date and time format to anything like year, month, date, or month, date, year, as like you want. Just work with this, you will understand everything. Next, make your custom sidebar. To change your sidebar, go to appearance, then go to widget. Here is your widget. This is the main thing. This is your sidebar. If you don't want anything like if you don't want to show your recent post in your sidebar, then scroll it and click delete. If you don't want to show your meta, then click it and click delete. If you want to add something like recent post, just click it and drag it to here or anywhere, like here. By this way you can make custom sidebar. So guys, today up to this. In my next video I'll show you some important things like how to create a contact form for your site, how to create image gallery, how to create an image slider for your site, this type of things. So always stay with us. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care.